Hello. One element of your writing which is truly important if we are to ensure that readers are able to follow your ideas and in order you wish them to gain the information you include is your ability to order your writing logically and clearly. So how do we do this? Well, what follows is a selection of advice which may well help. Think about topic sentences. So this is the first sentence in a paragraph which indicates what your paragraph will be about. So for example, you might write something like this. This isn't the only reason revision is important. Another reason why it's so important is that it helps to avoid disaster. So you consider there are two things happening at the start of this paragraph. The first sentence is linking one paragraph to another, whilst our second paragraph is indicating what the rest of the paragraph will be about as we move forward, making it clear. Think also about your use of connectives. So we have ideas such as our time connectives. So we might write words such as firstly, secondly, thirdly, etc. You might also think about time connectives which relate to the time of day. So depending on what you're writing, you might also include phrases such as in the morning, later that day before I went to bed. You might also think of other time connectives such as next, after that, before long, a moment later. If we're ending, but we're looking to connect different paragraphs, make it cohesive. Finally, in the end, eventually. If you want to interrupt the logical order, well, then there are time connectives for that as well. Suddenly, all of a sudden, in the blink of an eye, out of nowhere. But again, the main way to ensure you've grasped and understood this is to practice. So now it's your turn to practice. So hopefully that's been of help to you, and best of luck with the rest of your work.